So let me get this straight. You guys want to have a car show here in our training grounds? Well, yeah, it's a cheer dot startup. We have to do this for him, Starlight. Come on. Well, I don't know. We'll help you with your secret Santa gift. Well, alright. I can let you guys use it. Really, Starlight? On one condition. What? A condition? Of course, it's always these conditions. Dude, what's the condition? The boomerang! You don't tell anyone I have the boomerang and I'll help you. Okay? Yeah, sure. Okay, dude. Yeah, we can do that, Starlight. Okay. Follow me. Let's go, guys. Okay, yeah, we're coming. Okay.